Alright guys, welcome to the Rolling Grill. Here we have a whole red snapper. Now what you want to do is put some slits on each side of the red snapper so that you can open up the body cavity. It'll help it fry quicker. Alright, next I'm using Sazon. This Sazon has coriander and annatto seed, I think is how you pronounce it. Anyway, the annatto gives it a nice, beautiful color. It kind of enhances the red in the red snapper. And then next, what I'll be using is some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. That's all you need. Alright, now it's time to fry. And what I'm using is the vegetable oil. Use whatever oil you like. I thought vegetable oil works good. Anyway, I'm going to fry for 5 minutes on each side before I take it out. And don't forget to fry that tail also. Alright, once you remove it from the grease, be sure to pat it dry. And what I'm using here is I got some guava hot sauce. I got it from a sub shop in Miami called Sandwich. And I'm also using a chimichurri I made that's heavy with garlic, man. And just put it inside those slits and let it just get in there and seep in there with that olive oil and vinegar. And man, I'm telling you, chimichurri, fried red snapper go hand in hand. Alright, hit it with a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce. And man, look at that beauty, man. Make sure you add extra chimichurri to the outside. And y'all, it's time to eat. Took one bite. Let me take another one now. I don't know if I got it on camera. Man, look how flaky it is. Look at that. That chimichurri. Oh yeah, man. Try it out with that chimichurri. I think you're gonna like it.